Welcome to another enlightening video where we delve into the world of health and wellness. Today, we're venturing into the heart of the matter, pun intended, focusing on maintaining a healthy heart. Over the next 10 minutes, we'll explore the importance of heart health, discuss diet and exercise, stress management, and the value of regular checkups. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your lifestyle or diet. Why is heart health so important? Let's delve into that. The heart, a muscle that's about the size of your fist, is your body's most vital organ. It pumps blood, carrying oxygen and nutrients to every cell in your body. Without it, none of the other organs can function. Now, imagine if this powerhouse starts to falter. The effects can be devastating, leading to conditions like heart disease, heart attacks, and heart failure. Neglecting heart health doesn't just affect the heart itself. It can also lead to strokes, kidney disease, and other serious health problems. Think of the heart as the engine of your body. Just as you wouldn't ignore the maintenance of your car's engine, it's crucial to take care of your heart. So, what can you do to maintain a healthy heart? Stay tuned as we explore the various aspects of heart health. The heart is the engine of our bodies, so it's vital to keep it in top shape. One of the most significant factors affecting heart health is diet. Imagine your heart as a high-performance sports car. It's sleek, powerful, and built for endurance. But even the most powerful engine will sputter and fail if you fill it with the wrong fuel. In this case, the fuel is the food we consume daily. The quality of this fuel can determine how well your heart performs, and ultimately, how long it lasts. A balanced diet is like premium fuel for your heart. This includes an array of colorful fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Fruits and vegetables, in particular, are jam-packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help protect the heart. Whole grains, like oats and brown rice, are rich in fiber, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels. Lean proteins such as fish, poultry, and legumes provide essential amino acids without the extra saturated fat. Now, let's talk about fats. It's a common misconception that all fats are bad. On the contrary, healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and oily fish, are essential for heart health. They help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease. However, not all foods are created equal. Some are like low-grade fuel that can harm your heart over time. Foods high in sodium, for example, can increase blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. Similarly, foods high in saturated fat, such as fatty cuts of meat and full-fat dairy products, can raise bad cholesterol levels, increasing the risk of heart disease. Sugary drinks and processed foods are other culprits to watch out for. They often contain hidden sugars and unhealthy fats that can lead to weight gain and increase heart disease risk. So, remember, the path to a healthy heart is through your stomach. Every meal is an opportunity to nourish your heart with the right fuel. It's not about a strict diet or depriving yourself of the foods you love. It's about making healthier choices more often. After all, your heart is what you eat, so choose wisely. Besides diet, exercise plays a pivotal role in maintaining a healthy heart. So, let's dive into the heart-pumping world of physical activity and explore how it keeps that vital organ of ours in top-notch condition. Regular exercise can be seen as a natural wonder drug for your heart. It helps lower your blood pressure, reduces bad cholesterol, and increases good cholesterol. And that's not all. It also aids in weight management, another crucial factor in heart health. When you shed those extra pounds, you reduce the burden on your heart, making it easier for it to pump blood around your body. Now you might be wondering, what kind of exercises are best for my heart? Well, aerobic activities, or cardio exercises as they're commonly known, are your heart's best friend. These exercises get your heart rate up and make you breathe harder, which, over time, strengthens your heart and blood vessels. Think of activities like brisk walking, running, cycling, or swimming. These are all fantastic options for getting your heart rate up. And for those who prefer a more structured workout, high-intensity interval training, often abbreviated as HIIT, can be a highly effective way to boost heart health. But it's not just about high-intensity workouts. Strength training also plays a key role in heart health. It helps build lean muscle mass, which can help burn more calories, even when you're at rest. This, in turn, can aid in weight management and overall heart health. However, remember to listen to your body and consult with your doctor or a fitness professional before starting a new exercise regimen. It's important to start slow and gradually increase intensity and duration. Overdoing it can do more harm than good. It's also vital to make exercise a regular part of your routine. Consistency is key. Even a brisk 30-minute walk 5 days a week can make a significant difference in your heart health. So, tie up those laces, hop on that bike, or dive into that pool. Your heart will thank you for it. Remember, a little exercise goes a long way in keeping your heart healthy. Stress is a silent killer that can wreak havoc on your heart. Yes, folks, you heard it right. Stress, while it may seem intangible, is a very real threat to your heart's well-being. It's like a termite, silently eating away at your heart's health, bit by bit, without you even noticing until the damage is done. So, how does stress affect your heart? Let's break it down. When you're stressed, your body goes into what's known as a fight or flight response. This response causes your heart to beat faster and your blood vessels to narrow, which can lead to high blood pressure. Over time, high blood pressure can damage your arteries and lead to heart disease. But don't let this information stress you out even more. There are plenty of ways to manage stress and protect your heart. Let's delve into some of them. First on our list is meditation. Yes, the ancient practice of mindfulness can help you manage stress and keep your heart healthy. By focusing on your breath or a particular object, you can clear your mind of worry and anxiety. Just a few minutes of meditation each day can make a world of difference. Next up, we have yoga. Combining physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation, yoga is a holistic approach to stress management. Plus, it's a great way to improve flexibility and strength, which are also good for your heart. And speaking of breathing exercises, deep breathing can be a quick and easy way to reduce stress. Just take a slow, deep breath in, hold it, then exhale slowly. Repeat this a few times and you'll likely feel a sense of calm wash over you. Remember, folks, managing stress is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's as important as eating a balanced diet and getting regular exercise. So, take some time for yourself, breathe deeply, and let the stress melt away. Keeping stress at bay is crucial for a healthy heart. And it's within your power to make this happen. So, let's get to it, shall we? Regular checkups are a key component of maintaining heart health. So, why does this matter so much? Well, let's think of our bodies as a complex machine. Just like a car needs regular maintenance to run smoothly, our bodies require the same care. When it comes to our heart, these checkups play a crucial role in early detection and prevention of heart diseases. The earlier a potential issue is spotted, the better the chances are of managing it effectively. It's all about staying one step ahead, giving you the best possible shot at a healthy, vibrant life. On these visits, your healthcare provider will track vital signs like blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and blood sugar levels. These are important indicators of your heart's health. High blood pressure or cholesterol, for instance, can increase the risk of heart disease. With regular monitoring, you can take steps to control these levels and reduce your risk. Now, let's talk about screenings. These are tests that look for diseases before symptoms may appear. They include tests like an EKG to check your heart's electrical activity, or a stress test to see how your heart handles work. These screenings are like a window into the health of your heart, allowing your healthcare provider to spot any potential issues early on. Let's not forget, these checkups are also an opportunity to discuss any concerns or questions you may have about your heart health with your healthcare provider. They are there to guide you and provide advice tailored to your unique needs. Stay ahead of the game. Regular checkups can save your heart. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Maintaining a healthy heart is a multifaceted endeavor that requires a balanced approach. We've discussed the pivotal role that a healthy diet plays. Consuming a variety of foods, rich in whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins, can significantly help in keeping your heart in good shape. We've also explored the importance of regular exercise. Whether it's a brisk walk, a strenuous gym session, or a relaxing yoga class, keeping your body moving contributes greatly to cardiovascular health. Next, we touched on stress management. Finding effective ways to relax, unwind, and disconnect from the pressures of everyday life can do wonders for your heart health. Lastly, we underscored the necessity of regular checkups. Regular screenings can help detect potential problems early, leading to more effective treatment and prevention. Remember, a healthy heart is a happy heart. Take care of it, and it will take care of you.